Botflies, also known as catflies, heelflies, warbleflies, are a family of flies known as the Ostridae. Their larvae are internal parasites of mammals, some species growing in the host flesh and others within the gut. Dermatobia hominis is the only species of botfly known to parasitize on humans routinely. Their life cycles vary greatly according to the species, but the larvae of all species are internal parasites of mammals. Largely, according to species, they also are known as warbleflies. The word bot in this sense means a maggot. A warble is a skin lump or a callus such as might be caused by an ill-fitting harness or by the presence of a warble fly maggot under the skin. How? Botflies infestation. Botflies deposit eggs on a host or sometimes use an intermediate vectors such as common housefly, mosquitoes, and in case of Dehominis, a species of a tick. After mating, the female botfly captures the phoretic insect by holding onto its wing with her legs. She then makes a slip, attaching 15 to 30 eggs onto the insect or arachnid's abdomen when they are incubate. They fertilize. Female does this over and over again to distribute the 100 to 400 eggs she produces in her short adult stage of life of only 8 to 9 days. Larvae from these eggs, stimulated by the hosts, drop onto its skin and burrow underneath. And after that, they start to take nutrients from the body of the host and starts to grow in there. And in return, they are only harming the body or might even cause the death of the host.